मीडिया सेंटर और वाया मीडिया हेल्थ के साथ मिलकर हील ने 4th नेशनल हेल्थ राइटर्स एंड एडिटर्स कन्वेंशन 2014 का आयोजन 4 से 6 सितंबर होटल कंट्री इन गोवा में किया। कन्वेंशन में हेल्थ जगत से जुड़े लोगों ने शिरकत की, जो देश के अलग अलग शहरों से आए हुए थे।
We all are gathered here to learn, to find out, to get knowledge through fun and activities. So over the next few sessions, we will be meeting, we will be talking, we will be discussing, we will be having a lot of interactive sessions, and we have very knowledgeable panel members over here who will be discussing the topics, various topics, and I assure you that apart from being very informative, it will be a lot of interactive also.
कन्वेंशन में पैनल डिस्कशन के साथ-साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन भी आकर्षण का केंद्र रहा।
Investment in time the doctor makes, I think it will make such a change. But you see, general practices today, I mean in Bombay, 50, 100 patients some doctors are seeing in a day. I mean, where is the time to just spend that little time? So I've talked to my teachers, pediatricians. After I finished my respiratory medicine, I said, why are you not, the children you treated are coming to me for treatment of their asthma. Why haven't you used a steroid inhaler? And you know what my teacher tells me? I know it's the best, but I don't use. Why? Because I don't have the time. And if I tell the patient, the parents to take an inhaler, they'll go to another pediatrician. So it's the insecurity and the incapability of communicating, that's all.
लाइफ स्पैन टेस्ट RISC के साथ लोगों ने अपने ब्लड टेस्ट भी करवाए, जो जागरूकता की तरफ एक अच्छा कदम था। हेल्थ राइटर्स और एडिटर्स, जिनका हेल्थ जगत में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है, उन सभी ने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए और एक अच्छे और स्वस्थ भविष्य की कामना की।
I am very happy to be here in this conference and present, health insurers' point of view. In the last 13 years of our operation, we have found there are many myths and perceptions about health insurance amongst consumers. So this platform, gives us an opportunity to reach out to our consumers directly, our current consumers and prospective consumers directly, and pass on our message, what are our views on those myths, and this gives us a good platform for us to burst those myths which are there in consumers' mind, so that this increases the health insurance penetration in the future.
A conference like this helps us to say, here is at one stage we have the researchers, we have the scientists, we have the doctors full of knowledge, and we have the local people. It's very difficult for doctors to understand local people and reach that local people that fast. Like as a doctor, I can at the most reach 50-60 patients in a day. Can't reach more than that. But media can reach millions of people together. So it is important for media to understand from the horse's mouth the basic aspects of health. What is health? How can we promote our health? How can we prevent a disease? What is good? We were talking about so many aspects of health, including the food adulterations. I was actually talking on food adulteration. How that should be avoided, not can be, it should be avoided, and how that has been a major annoyance for all of us today.
I was very surprised to see this event over here. I think it is the right thing to do to educate our general public. Press has a very important role to play, and I think forums like this, where industry and press can sit down and exchange views, will get the word out to our people to eat more wholesome food.
We created a concept of capacity building and education of the health writers and editors of the country in 2005 under the banner of HEAL. And HEAL Foundation, they are on since 9 years, have been conducting regular capacity building training programs, including workshop and convention for the health writers and editors in India, which is one of its kind capacity building training program, largest in this part of the world in Asia. And this 4th National Health Writers and Editors Convention is the biggest till date, getting about 100 delegates as health writers and editors from about 20 cities of India, and having a 3 days detailed discussion and deliberation on various health issues and topics of interest to the writers and editors. And it has been a grand success. in terms of participation, that is attendance of about 100 writers and editors at one time, and in terms of all the speakers and key opinion leaders who have come to address this program from all sectors of the healthcare and the allied industry.
कन्वेंशन में हेल्थ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन ने टेलीफोनिक कॉल द्वारा सभी का अभिवादन किया।
I promise that whenever there is a meeting like this anywhere in the country at any time in the future, I will certainly love to join that meeting. I have to convey all my heartiest greetings, congratulations, thank you for all the support that senior and new health journalists, essayists, authors, everyone is giving to the cause of health in this country.
और ये विश्वास दिलाया कि भविष्य में भी इस तरह के हेल्थ रिलेटेड कन्वेंशन होते रहेंगे। चीफ गेस्ट गोवा के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर श्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर ने हेल्थ को एक नोबल कॉज बताते हुए इसकी अवेयरनेस और इम्प्रूवमेंट पर खासा जोर दिया।
टू शेयर अवर एक्सपीरियंस, टू शेयर अवर एक्सपर्टाइज, टू शेयर अवर research findings for a noble cause of improving the healthcare standards across the country by, of course, public awareness.
कन्वेंशन में आए हुए डेलीगेट्स और एक्सपर्ट्स को सम्मानित किया गया। पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन द्वारा राइटर्स, एडिटर्स, डेलीगेट्स, एक्सपर्ट्स और जर्नलिस्ट ने अपने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए।
These kind of convention, I think the most important aspect or goal that we want to achieve is awareness. And I think that was rightly pointed out today also during deliberations, that awareness is very important for the masses out there. And if people start getting the right news about the various diseases, how to take preventive approach, and how to actually lead a very healthy lifestyle, I think the goal of healthy India and healthy nation by 2020 will be achieved.
To conduct such conferences to improve healthcare system with the help of media persons. Because it is just not the doctors or the practitioners or the specialists or super specialists who are responsible for the healthcare, but more than that, it is the media people who take the right viewpoint to the public. On many occasions, certain things also need to be exposed, and media has been doing a wonderful job.
I'm very happy to be here today at this wonderful event sponsored and organized by Via Media Health as well as His Foundation. I think these kind of programs where health journalists and writers are educated about what's happening in the health industry is very important. Diagnostics जो है, जो industry मैं से आती हूँ, is the most important part of healthcare, because unless आपकी जो report है वो सही quality की नहीं है, your treatment will 100% be wrong. So it's very important that your diagnosis and your report, your blood report is right. आज इंडिया में many labs are there जो सब टेस्ट कराते हैं, but the quality is always a question mark कि ये सही quality है कि नहीं. There are only 300 labs in India which are accredited and which have got some good expertise on how to give correct reports.
This is a great conference, I think, with a very appropriate audience. The health writers and editors have a very significant role to play in driving change in the healthcare sector in this country. They have the ability to drive public opinion, which can change the way government and private sector operates. And they also have an opportunity to really change the way consumers and patients think about health. There is a need for all three players to really get involved in this process: the government, the private sector, and the patient himself. And when all three of them work together, can we really change the healthcare status in this country?
I really appreciate this convention that is happening here in Goa, which is a conglomerate of 90 leading health writers from the country, where we get to talk to the media and tell them about correct health, wellness, nutrition, and they get an aspect of the correct thing and know how to report responsibly. I believe CareWord, Via Media and the India Media Center have been instrumental in bringing together this and bringing this to a platform where we could have so many dignitaries and so many reporters and health writers coming together with specialists from every field. So it's quite a massive and very appreciable effort. Thank you so much.
This is a unique opportunity to meet with health-related correspondents for pharmaceutical industry, CROs, hospital and other service providers. And also not only for communication but for bringing awareness among the media and through media among the public. So I would recommend that more people from these sectors should be present on this occasion.
It's my first time here at this convention, and to my mind it's one of the best things that has ever come across, because I think one of the biggest problems that we face as a country is this lack of public health awareness, and I think the events like these can go a very long way in providing awareness to the masses. So specialists can do whatever they need to. At the end of the day, we need to make sure that the public gets to know what is right or wrong for them. And my last point is, healthcare is as important as any other infrastructure that this country needs. So let's put our joint effort in making this work.
कन्वेंशन में क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट का भी आयोजन किया गया, जिसका सभी ने लुत्फ उठाया। हेल्थ इज वेल्थ की कामना के साथ इस 3 दिवसीय कन्वेंशन का समापन सफलतापूर्वक हुआ।